Hey, my lovies. Oh, my hair. Hi, lovies. So I'm bringing you guys a lipstick or lip gloss or my favorite lip video. It's literally just a few lips that are my go-to. I mean, indefinite go-to. I know they're gonna look good with every type of makeup style or anything that nature. It could be exaggerated. It could be festival. It could be prom. It could be wedding. It could, whatever I decide to put on my face, this will always deliver. So let's kind of start off. I have a little bit of brown liner on right now, but nothing on my actual lips. So we're gonna start off with basic and kind of go up. And I'm just outlining to give myself a nice, even outline. Now, what I've been in love with lately is just going back to old school stuff, right? Which is my handy dandy lip gloss. You can get lip gloss anywhere. You could get it at the hair store. You could get it at Walmart. You can get it at Sephora. But for me, I like the hair store. I need to go get me like a honey one, but this one is like very pretty. It smells like chocolate. If you're allergic to scents and you go to the hair store to get your lip glosses, see if they're scented first. Or if you're allergic to things, see if they're scented first. Because I don't know if it applies, but I would assume if you're allergic to chocolate, you really can't mess with this. So I took it off of, I had it in my kit. Here's a story. I had it in my kit and this one chick was like, oh, that smells like chocolate. And I was like, yeah, it is. And they were like, I'm allergic to chocolate. I was like, oh, huh. Psh, threw it across the room. So, naive mistake. But here is lip number 1. It's so simple, so beautiful, goes with everything. You know what I'm saying? Throw on a pair of glasses, no eyebrows, hair is curled. We're ready for the day. So since all of them but one consist of this brown lip liner, I'm just gonna kind of keep it there. I'm cheating. Anywho, so gave you lip gloss, right? Gave you vibe, gave you 90s. Now we're just gonna go ahead and hop into my mattes. So this is LA Colors Matte Liquid Lip Color thingy. It doesn't have a color on it, which I'm kind of sad, because I want to put it on like my details and stuff, but it's a dub. Anywho, whenever I do lipstick application, I always start in the middle because that's where I want the most of my pigment to be. I'm glad the geese decided what they were gonna do. All right, so here's a nude. Very super chic. You know what I'm saying? And it's LA Colors. Alrighty. So this one I'm gonna go with a little bit more brown. I love to overline my lips. You do not have to go as high as me. And it's my Rare taught me that, how to connect my lipsticks. My lip liner on my lips. Anywho, let's get on with it. So this one is the Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink. I like this color because it's very far-fetched. It's gray, which what doesn't go with gray? You know what I mean? So here we go. And this one's weird, right? Because come on, Pete. So this one's weird because it feels like a lip gloss at first. That's how creamy it is. Am I the only one who like cleans my mouth out like that? So here we have this one. This one gives you a little bit of goth, a little bit of vibe, a little bit of essence, a little bit of don't mess with me. You get what I'm saying? Just a little. Nothing like intense, you know what I mean? It's like if you want to be in a black mode today, but you really don't want to be that dark, you know? Because you're a little emo today. Not a lot. People actually have a chance to like have a conversation with you. Okay, so with this poorly foundation placement job, I'm gonna go in with Milani. This is their liquid lipsticks, which I love. This one's in Covet. But it's a beautiful, beautiful like sandy brown. So we're gonna line with this right now. A lot comes up here, a lot. Like that's just one brush stroke. Beautiful brown. I'm gonna do the same, just hit it with that little lip rub. And then what I'm gonna do with this, which that's pretty by itself, don't fret, we're gonna layer. So this is like my favorite technique to do, especially when I'm wearing a red. So sorry y'all. This is Colourpop Ellarie's collection, and I want to say this is Sessy. Sessy. All right, right, cool, right. Now we're gonna go in with the LA. And I'm gonna just gradually build that on as it dries. And therefore it will give me like a gradient effect. Just hold on real quick. Okay, see, and this is what I'm saying. It's such a beautiful lip. Now, you can either outline it with a brown, or you can outline it with a red. You guys want to see the red? The red is about to break on me, so don't judge me. This is the Ellarie lip liner. Perfect. Perfection. Boom. And this is like my favorite way to do my lips. I'll blend everything together and etc. and then trace it on the outline. Just trace it at the end. You don't have to blend it. You don't have to do anything of that nature. Just chill on it. So, I'll hold them all up because I'm a baby kid and I don't really know how to do this stuff. Here are the lipsticks. And I just love them all. I really do. I feel like I'm a matte girl, but I could easily put this gloss over it. You know what I mean? So don't let the world tell you that there's something that you can't do with your lips. They're your lips. You put whatever you want together. Okay? So I appreciate you all for watching my IGTV, my YouTube, wherever this is gonna be, which is pretty much everywhere. And I'll see you guys later.